algebra students. Today I am going to show you a quick tutorial of your Big Ideas Math Online and all the wonderful amenities that you will find on here. So what I've already done is I've signed on, and in class you should have created or received your login. You created your own password. As soon as you log in, you'll land on this page, okay? And you'll see here on the left side is your textbook, and then you'll see a series of other things. So first thing I kind of want to show you is some of the most important things. Well, I think they're all valuable. The ebook will take you right into the electronic version of your textbook. As you noticed, you did not get a hardcover textbook. So oftentimes when you need to reference something, you can just log on and go into that ebook, select the textbook, and then it's very user-friendly as to which page you want to navigate. If you're not sure which page you need to be on, so I'm just going to type in a page. Let's say it was page 250. You can just easily jump right to that page by putting that in on the top. And you can scroll right, you can scroll left to the various pages. You can zoom in as much as you'd like. All these various tools. If you're not sure the page, you can go into your content, and then perhaps you go into chapter 3 and you know we're working on function notation in 3.3, and this will take you right to the start of it. A few things that are really helpful in your ebook is that there's videos and also other things that you can toggle on here if you wanted to have access to the PDF of the exploration, which many of these will do in class. If you want quick access to Desmos, right there, it's all right there. In addition, apologize, if I go this way, there are several examples. If you see these little, they look like play buttons. It will walk you through a tutorial of the actual example.
Evaluate f of x equals 2x minus 7 when x equals 4 and x equals negative 4. To evaluate the function when x equals 4, begin by writing the equation.
So you'll see there are several videos that you can access. So this is kind of like your quick reminder. Oh, I know we did this in class, but I need to see it, I need to hear it, I need to visualize it step by step. Sometimes just the answer alone isn't enough. So that is something that's very helpful for you. So again, those videos can be accessed through the ebook. The ebook can also log you into our explorations. It can also take you to Desmos and many other things. There's other options on the left. Of course, you can bookmark, you can highlight at your will. That's completely up to you. Going back into the dashboard, the ebook is helpful. And the other thing we use quite often, you'll hear when we get time to go to a test, we'll say use your skills trainer. I often call these 3 lines here the hamburger. Go to the hamburger, and when you go to the hamburger, you'll see assignments, which I'll get to next, this skills trainer. This skills trainer is wonderful because on the left-hand side, you'll see this column that gives you different grade levels or textbooks that you're working on. If I was on Algebra 1, I can select one of these areas, one of these skills. Perhaps I was trying to find reasoning with equations, solve simple exponential equations using laws of exponents. I can click right on this, and what you'll see is when we have something like this, I'm just going to throw in a number. It gives me real-time answers. So a teacher does not need to assign this to you. It's already there for you at all times. It gives you the real-time answer, and if you're still unsure, there's a video there to help you. So the skills trainer is tremendously helpful. This is something that we'll say, you can do this on your own. Return to skills. Let's say I want to go into multiplying binomials. Okay, so real-time answers once I put these in. So let's see, this is going to be negative 7x squared. And then on and so forth. Let's see, that's going to be minus x minus 35, so minus 36x. And of course, we'll learn this at some point, but I just kind of want to show you what this looks like. Double check my work. Check my answer. Green means it's good. So then I can go on to the next. Most of the time there's 10 questions that you can go through, but you can do this endlessly. You can keep going back and keep going back, and there's always different practice for you. So the skills trainer I love. Going back to this home page, that's the home button, you'll see here there's always your assignments, and this should be your red flag of things that you need to address. So I can see my assignments here down on the home page, but I can also go to the hamburger and go to assignments as well. So when you're in assignments, you'll see things I need to do, things that are overdue, and things that have been submitted. So I have one assignment that's due on Monday, and it'll always tell you the due date and the time. And yes, it will be clear when you've submitted this. I can go into the overdue. Luckily, there's nothing that I've missed, and I can go into the submitted. So I want to show you a few things. First, something that I've submitted, you'll see that I got 2.17 out of 5. That was a 43%. This automatically means that you need to reach out to your teacher to set up a time to check in about why you earned less than a 50%. So if you are like, well, I don't know why, the good news is you can go back into the assignment and actually see what you did right, partially correct, and what you got incorrect. So it will first show you your time. Another thing your teachers will always look at is how long you spent on this assignment. If you spent 2 minutes on an assignment that was 20 minutes, we're automatically going to say, that's not right. 2 minutes was clearly not ample amount of time to put into this assignment. We may give you not full credit. We may ask you to redo it. We may have to have a full conversation. Always put in your full effort. So as I scroll down, you can see here, on the left side, it's telling me what I did wrong. So I selected subtract 4 to both sides, and it should have been add 4 to both sides, okay? So, and then here it's showing, well, you misunderstood the properties of equality. So if I need more practice, immediately I can say practice the skill, and it will take me right to the skills trainer, something that you should become very accustomed to. As I scroll down, it will, let's see. As I continue to scroll down, I'm trying to find where my next answer, oh, question number 2. It's generating the question. Oh, perfect. I got question number 2 wrong, right. Question number 3 and 5, again, this orange means it was partially correct. And number 4, I got totally wrong, so I got no credit. Let's look at number 4. What did I get totally wrong? Oh, well, this shouldn't have been 10 pi. I should subtract 3 pi from both sides to get 4 pi. What did I do wrong? Again, it was using addition and subtraction properties of equality. So this is tremendously helpful to go back. As good mathematicians know, we always want to look and see what we did right, what we did wrong, and how can we make it better. So that's in the submitted. And then the next important thing is my to-do. Okay, this is due on Monday, August 31st by 5:16. So why not get started on this? I will select this assignment. And I will load up practice number 2. I'm not sure how to do number 1, so I'm just going to go to the next one. Maybe I'm still unsure about this one I can do. 8y plus 3y is 11y. 11y equals 44. If I divide both sides by 11, y equals 4. Okay? Then I'll go to the third one, the solution of m. I'm going to have to distribute and solve. I'm just going to throw in a number here. And then I'm going to say submit. It's going to ask me if I want to submit. Right now I'm going to say no, because when I click on here, you'll see I did not answer one of these. So it's automatically going to save which ones you've completed. I can go back to the first one and put an answer in here. Let's say, I'm just going to say I thought that w equaled 2. I can check my work down here. Okay, w equals 2 is not correct, so I'm going to try again. Does w equal 3? Check my work. Nope, that's not right. Maybe w equals 4. Check my work. It is correct. So you'll see a lot of times on most of your assignments, your teacher will give you 3 checks. So here, let's go back. This was 4. Bravo. This was wrong. So you'll get 3 opportunities to check this. And then in the end, always, always submit your work. Even if you leave one blank, always submit your work and submit on time. So as soon as I've submit, real time, I can go back and see how well I did. So notice there's nothing in the to-do column, nothing in overdue, but in my submitted, now I have practice 2 was submitted. I earned a 67%. I got 2 out of 3. Let's see which one I got wrong. Well, we know which one we got wrong, the one we didn't check, and it has this red box by it. So click on this, and then again, I can see the stepped out example. It will show me step by step how to solve this. So again, tremendous resource. All of these different avenues to help you further practice, all these different avenues to help you make sure that you can check your work and also get more practice if you need it. So again, assignments, super helpful. Your skills trainer will be super helpful. The dashboard will take you to your ebook. There's glossaries and flashcards that you can use, different video tutorials if you want some more video tutorials, our real life connections to different STEAM ideas, and then your homepage. Okay, so a couple things I didn't address. Your work should automatically save. Even if you don't finish an assignment in one sitting, it should automatically save, so you can always log back in and resubmit. If you have any questions, please make sure that you reach out to your teachers. Thank you so much.